ASUS expanded its Expedition line of motherboards and graphics cards purpose-built for gaming iCafes. They're still a thing in the developing world, with the new B360-V Expedition motherboard for 8th generation Coffee Lake processors. Built in the slim micro-ATX form factor, the board draws power from a combination of 24-pin ATX and 8-pin EPS power connectors. A simple 5-phase VRM powers the CPU, which is wired to 2 DDR4 DIMM slots supporting up to 32 GB of memory, and one PCI-Express 3.0x16 slot. Storage connectivity includes 4 SATA 6 Gbps ports, 6-channel HD audio, and gigabit Ethernet make for the rest of it. What makes this board suited for iCafes is high-grade electrical components, better anchored PCI-Express slots, surge protection across all LAN and USB ports, and slightly better onboard audio than other boards in its class, with separate PCB layers handling left and right audio channels, and 144 hours of rigorous stress testing of each board before it's packaged.